Hi, Bob. Hello, Bob.
Hello, teacher.
How are you? Are you
I'm
okay?
fine.
That's good. Did you eat your breakfast? Did you eat
No,
your breakfast? No? Why not? It's already
later,
9.
later.
Oh, later? Later it'll be so late, Mom. It's already 9:30. Why? What did you do?
I go to the swimming pool.
Oh, okay. I see that is why. And did you just get home from the pool? Did you just get home?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I see. So what are you going to eat for breakfast? Do you have
Pancake.
noodles? Okay, yes, you can eat while we're having our class, Mom. Maybe you are hungry already, especially that you just got home from swimming. Okay, so you can eat. Now, let me share my screen and we will start answering your homework. Okay, can you see my screen now, Mom?
Nope.
No? I am
Yes.
sharing.
No, I
You
can't
see
see
it?
it. If
You
it's
can see
very
it?
small.
It is very small. Okay, for a moment. Let me zoom it in. Okay. Okay, what about now? Is it big enough? Is it big now, Bomb?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me your answer for one?
See.
Okay, it is Jack's birthday 2 days ago. Are you sure with your answer, Bomb? Why can't I see you? What
Yes.
are you doing? Okay, so now I see that you're very sure, but you forgot to look at the detail, Bomb. Okay, see, it says 2 days ago. So, which means it happened in the past already. We're not going to use is. It's only used for present continuous, Bomb.
Whoa.
We will use now was. What? Why were?
No, it's not.
Why is it were?
No.
Yes, it's not were. We only use were if it's in the past and our subject is plural. Like I, we, they. No, not I. You, we, they. Okay, so it's was. Now what about for the second one?
I.
Okay. Who did you eat with? Well, I eat dinner with friends. Okay, yes, very good. It's a. Next one. 3.
Mm, D.
D, okay. And usually drive to work, but yesterday she walked. Is your answer D or B?
I.
A?
No.
Okay, you can think first before
D. D.
telling
D.
me your answer. Okay, the correct answer here is B, as in boy. Okay, and usually drives to work. Okay, so this is present simple, Bob. But yesterday she walked. Okay, in the past tense. Okay, it's B. Now, what about for the next one?
It, it usually rains a lot in winter, but last year It's snow. B.
What letter? B. It snows.
No. A.
Okay, yes, it's A. Always be mindful, or you have to look at the given words carefully, such as in here, it usually, of course, after, usually, sometimes we're going to use, words wherein we're going to add s or es to it because it is present simple. But here, last year, of course, we'll use the past tense of the word, okay, which is snowed. Okay, it's a next one now.
B.
Uh, it's
B.
B. Okay, yes, very good. Anne and Max usually go sailing at weekends, but last weekend they played tennis. Very good. Okay, wait, let me scroll it a bit, Mom. And now we'll have my family. What is your answer
A.
here? Okay, so my family left London and moved to a small village. Very good. Next one.
C.
Okay, people all over the world speak English. Next.
About.
Okay, yes, it's about what do you know about George Washington? What do you know about bomb? Okay, next one.
A.
Okay, now she lived alone, but when she was a child, she lived with her mother and sister. So very good. Okay, next.
A.
Where did she live now? Do you know when to use did, Bomb?
Oh, yes.
Okay, when do we use did?
Is one.
When do we use did?
Does.
Okay, yes, it is a does here. Okay, so where does she live now to indicate the present? So it is a present simple question. Where does she live now? Okay, we will use a does, but of course, if it's they, it would be where do they live now? And we only use did if we're asking about the past. Okay, no matter what our subject is. Now, what about next one?
Did.
It's a what is your
Oh,
answer?
no.
Is it D?
She. I think, no, I think it's where she lives. I
No,
think this one.
no, we're already in here, Bomb. She
I think she lives in 1915.
okay, so what
She
is your answer
didn't.
here? Okay, she didn't learn to read until she was 86. That is correct. What about here?
Where
Where
does? Where does?
you remind can you remind me again when to use does, Bomb?
At no. Where is what minute? AC.
Okay.
Where she live in? Where? Did
Okay, yes, it's where did. See, 1950, it's already in the past. So, of course, we will use did here. Okay, next one for a moment. Okay, let us have it in here. She,
he started?
okay, yeah, she started. Okay, because we have when she was 8, but now she's not 8 anymore. Next one.
The clown's fight, right? The clown's fight. B.
Okay, did you like the film? No, I didn't. Okay, very good. It's B. Next one, Bomb.
She
She thinks.
thinks about her past life.
Very good. Last one.
He was tired of no, what it is?
It's politics. Politics.
What it is? I don't know.
Oh, you don't know what politics is. Okay, so when we say politics, Bomb, it is in government, Bomb.
chính trị,
He was tired of of
Okay, yes, it's tired of. Okay, that is correct. Thank you so much. So now, since we're done with that, we'll proceed now to your book. Okay, so we are already in for a moment. Okay, exercise one. Okay, can you tell me, Bomb, what does it mean again when we say fantastic?
fantastic.
Fantastic.
Like the food is very good.
Okay, yes, that is correct. It's excellent. Now, what about terrible?
Terrible or like the food is very terrible.
It's use another word.
The smell is very terrible.
Okay, yes, it's very bad. It's
Please
awful. Okay.
be wear the socks 1 week and then his sock is very terrible.
Smells terrible. It smells terrible. Okay. So now what about funky?
I don't know. Oh, it's like
That's fine.
someone has fur.
Fur? Like dogs
Yes.
or cats? Oh, okay. So now when we say funky, Bomb, it is different to fur because when we say funky, it means it is cool. Okay, it's cool, it's unusual, but it is stylish in a lively way. Okay, having a strong rhythm that is easy to dance if we're talking about music. Okay, funky music. Okay, now next one, what about boring?
Boring, it means no one plays with me.
Okay, you feel bored because no one is playing with
Play
you.
with me.
I'll play with B. And you got bored?
No, no one plays with me.
Okay, so yeah, so when we say boring, it means not interesting or enjoyable. Okay, it is dull. Now, what about catchy?
Country in oh,
Catchy, catchy.
I don't know too.
Okay, so when we say catchy, Bomb, it means it is easy to remember. It can easily grab your attention and you can easily remember it. That is what it means when we say catchy. Probably it's easy to remember because it is interesting. It's good.
dễ nhớ,
Okay,
Okay.
so next one now we have relaxing.
Relaxing like we do exercise lot and then we need to relaxing because we if it isn't relaxing or uh we want to run very fast and we don't relaxing, that's why we can in the uh in the sun in the sunlight we can be sick.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mom. If you're doing a lot of things, you should give yourself time to relax, okay, to reduce stress or anxiety, to calm or to feel rested. Okay, that is relaxing. What about awful?
Awful, it means like the food is very awful.
Okay, the food is awful, which means it's very bad. It's just the same as terrible. Now, what about mellow? Mellow.
Mellow, I don't know.
Okay, so when we say mellow, Bomb, it is smooth and soft in a pleasant way. And it is used to talk about music or your mood. Okay, wait, let me translate that for you. Mellow.
dịu nhẹ,
Do you get it, Bomb?
Yes.
Okay, yes, that is mellow. Now, in here, I want you to practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. Okay, so when we say fantastic, is it positive or negative?
Um, it is positive,
Okay, yeah, it is positive. What about terrible?
negative,
Funky.
neg- positive,
Okay, funky is positive. Okay, now what about boring?
negative,
Okay, yes, negative. What about catchy?
positive,
Catchy. Okay, yes, it's positive. Relaxing.
positive,
What's that? Okay, yeah, positive. Awful.
negative,
Okay, negative. Mellow.
mm, positive,
Okay, yes, it is positive bomb because it is smooth, right? It is soft. Okay, so just like for example, the wine had a smooth, mellow flavor. Okay, so it is pleasant. It's good, Bob. Now, since we're done with that, let us have exercise 2 vocabulary. What is rock? Rock music, bomb rock music.
rock music. It
Mm-hmm.
means like the rock music is very good. No, the rock. What I see it?
Rock music. Rock
A rock
music.
music like a band of musics.
That is, what kind of music do they play?
Rock.
Okay, can you describe rock music? Bomb, how does it sound?
It sounds like
What is that? Okay, so when we say rock, it is a style of popular music, bomb with a strong beat. Okay, it has a strong beat and uses instruments like drums, electric guitars, and others. Okay, so that is rock music. It has a very strong beat. Now, what about heavy metal?
Heavy metal, it means like the metal or very heavy.
And the metal is very heavy.
Yes. Like a big bar of
Okay.
chocolate, but it turned into a big bar of metal.
Mm, okay. So now when we say heavy metal, it is still a kind of music, bomb, and it is a very loud, okay, because it has a strong beat, same as rock music, but this is a type of rock music, bomb, that is very loud, just like if you bang a metal to another thing, it's really loud. See, it's heavy metal. Okay, now next one we also have pop music.
Um, How's the music like the shape of musics?
Okay, so pop music, it is popular music. Okay, popular music. It's just in Vietnam, you call it V-pop, right?
Huh?
You call it V-pop.
Rebop?
V-pop.
I don't know.
It's Vietnamese or Vietnam's popular music, V-pop. Okay, now what about hip hop?
Huh? Hip hop? It means we hop and we
Yes.
hip hop hip hop.
Okay, so when we say hip hop, it is a type of music that is with rap, okay, and steady beat. Okay, so rapping, that is hip hop. What about reggae?
Regularly, I don't know.
Okay, so when we say reggae, it is still a type of popular music that is originally from Jamaica. Okay, it has a relaxed rhythm and socially conscious lyrics. Okay, now what about jazz?
Dress. I don't know too because I don't know it. I doesn't know this word. I doesn't know this word.
Do you know this one too? Okay.
No, no,
Okay, so
no, no,
it
no,
It
no.
is a type of music that uses instruments such as trumpets, saxophone. Okay, so that is a jazz music, often with brass instruments. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so now what about classical music?
Classical music.
Yeah.
It means like a very no. It means like a music.
Mm-hmm.
Just that.
Okay, yes, it is a music, of course, since we're talking about type of music here, and it is a type of music that follows traditional rules and uses instruments such as violins, cellos, flutes, and as well as piano. Okay, do you know Beethoven, Bomb? Beethoven?
Huh?
Beethoven.
What's that? I can't hear.
It is a he is a person, Bomb.
Okay.
It's Ludwig van Beethoven. Do you know him or no?
I
Do you
don't know
play
him.
piano? Do you play piano?
Yes, I play once. Then I don't want to play.
Oh, oh, you don't want to play it again. Why don't you want to play it again?
I don't know why.
Oh, you don't like playing the piano. Okay, what about dance?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know dance as well. So still, it is a type of music, Bum, since it's used as a noun here, not as a verb. Okay, so it is a type of music that is specifically made for dancing. Okay, so that is dance. Okay,
Nope,
now
nope.
among
Setting, you're setting the classic music.
what?
You set the class music. When you
Classical.
go to dance.
No, we're done talking about classical music, Bum.
I don't know why. It's what? I don't know.
Nhạc cổ điển.
Yes, I know it now.
Okay, you know it now. Okay. Well, I explained it already, Mom, before proceeding to dance. Okay, remember that when we say dance, it is a type of music that is meant for dancing. Okay. So now I believe that would be all it. So you can relax now, Mom. Stay safe there, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay. Goodbye, Mom.
Goodbye, teacher.
Mom. Goodbye.